Oh God, never gonna get that. You gotta hold it higher.
He just got it.
Oh, there's a creek here, man. Fail.
Come on, get him. Get him.
Now go back the other way.
Did he just fall?
Sure.
He just fell.
Get back up.
It's about to snap if you just go the other way.
Yeah, go back the other way. You can't go up.
That tree's whooping his ass. What the hell? Levi, you're getting beat up by a tree. I beat a tree up last summer.
There's a
Look out, Levi. Go the other way with it.
There's vines back here. What place has vines?
Ohio, motherfucker. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Jump on it. Jump on it. Climb the tree and then all the way to the top.
Oh, fuck. It's terrible, dude.
Dude, I can't see anything. It's just lighting it up. It's not catching it.
I got him. I got him on video.
Logan's got the whole thing.
You gotta stand on it.
Can you actually see it?
Yeah, do you can see him?
Oh, fucking A.
I'm on it like a porn star.
He just racked himself.
He just tucked down a tree, man. There's a limb.
Grab another branch and do it.
Take the whole tree down. I don't think
Why not?
Where's? He's got sandals on too.
you gotta jump up and down.
He got it. He fucking got it.
Selling alcohol with
What?
He's going to be out here all night. Why did you tell him alcohol with
Oh my god.
Jump up. Oh!
He's got one sandal on. He lost the other one in the creek.
Hey, jump up in the air and land on your butt on it. That'll for sure break it.
Hold my sandal.
Hold my sandal.
Hold my
I
sandal.
got it.
Kick it over
Kick
here.
it over here.
Kick it over here.
Hey, you got to jump and hit it on your butt. Use your butt on it. Oh my god.
It's terrible.
Use your butt. Jump and land on your butt. That'll for sure.
No, I'm gonna be like a fucking jail rape victim.
No,
What?
It's flat. It's not gonna go into your butt.
He's gonna break that tree right there.
That's gonna eat shit. Hey, don't break that one, dude. Don't break that one. Only break the one.
I got 3 hours of this. I can be here all night.
Hey, where's the other sandal?
Yeah, you lost it in the creek. Yeah, when you fell in the creek. Yeah, push up it. Push it up.
Twist it. Just twist it, Levi.
Hold on, 1 minute.
Find your shoe.
Hold on. Breather!
Such a good time. Look at his
Breathe
toe.
out!
Look at his toe. Get his toe. There's a twig in between his toe right now.
Okay. Breather!
Dude, he said he was going to give you that whole fucking case if you broke down that tree.
What?
Where's that other shoe? There's the other shoe. Hold on. Here's the other shoe. Here's the other shoe. Found it. We got both of them. Got both of them.
Oh, fall in the creek. Please, that'll make my night.
That's terrible, man.
Maybe screaming and agonizing pain isn't cool because the neighbors might not like that.
There's no neighbors, man.
Oh, never mind. Fuck it.
Jesus. What is this guy doing? What is this guy doing? Just being fucking Paul Bunyan over here.
Oh boy, it's come down.
Where's the axe at?
Levi, belly flop on it.
It's coming down, hold on. I popped on it, it's coming down.
Oh, Levi, you're fucking outrageous, man.
down the branch next to it. To the right.
He's humping it. Keep humping it, Levi. It works.
It hurts.
The one that he could never rip down? Yeah. Hey! Heads up what? Oh. Levi, you see the one to the right? You see the branch to the right? Right there? Right in front of you?
Hold on. I have
Alright.
an idea.
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a real good idea. Yeah, do that for sure. Have fun.
Come on, my lover.
Yeah, do it. Goodbye. You're going to completely regret that tomorrow. You said all the way down.
Okay, it's not working.
If this fucking kid ripped a branch off a tree for some beer, I'm leaving.
What do you mean? You got ripped down the whole tree for you got ripped down that big.
Jump on it right now, Levi.
The one to tell his jump outside. Logan's got a Peter Griffin with a remix.
He's working for it.
You're not going to pull it off, though.
Manhandle that bitch. Manhandle that bitch.
I will officially leave and never hang out with that kid. If he ripped the fucking tree out of the ground, he's probably too strong to hang out with.
He's probably too strong to hang out with. Keep jumping on it, Levi.
He's a dick.
Yeah.
It's just a big ass thorn bush he's stepping on.
Oh my God.
That's what Logan said. It's your fucking homemade garage. Dude, just run and hit it on the shoulder. Oh my God, he's running. No, that's a bad idea. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just run and hit it with the elbow or something. Jump and hit the branch with an elbow. That'll for sure break it. Don't do nothing. Hey. No, I'm not going to watch this. I'm not going to jail. I'm not going to.
Levi, don't do it. Levi, just pull on it. Just don't do it.
I need the light on the branch.
Levi, I'll give you a beer just to stop. I'm not watching that. Okay, well, you're cut off. Pretty sure you forgot about it. Levi, don't tell me to cut off. Because it's got a couple of people. Don't do it. Levi, do not hit that bush. Cut off. No,
he said he's going to land on the branch. If you land on the branch, you're good.
Land on the branch side broken?
Yeah.
No, it's not
Dude,
broken.
it's good as off my asshole.
No, not like that. Like with the elbow. Not the broken part, the actual branch. Just dangling down right there. You see it?
Just jump on it now. Just swan dive.
Here.
Hold on a second. Move out of the way, Logan.
Alright, I need my life. Especially old people.
He's twisting it. Keep twisting it.
Oh my God. He's too strong right now.
He's got retouch strength.
grab that big piece and pull it towards you, Levi. No, at the stump. Where you broke it.
You go barefoot at this shit, dude. Look at this branch.
Dude, I used to rip branches off all the time. I don't know why you're having such a problem with it. Dude, I used to fuck branches up bigger than that, yo. Look at you. Is that a marshmallow on a tree right now, or what?
Oh my god.
Oh, you're gonna fail, buddy. You're gonna fail. Is that a marshmallow on a tree? I broke bigger tree branches than that. You're gonna tear an ACL and ruin your career.
He's jumping on it.
Hey, quit with the retard screen. You're cut off. You can't drink no more beer if you scream again. That's what Travis said.
You give me my beer right now.